Well, this has been a really fun last couple days. So we got this thing on Sunday. Today's Wednesday, what day is it? It's Wednesday, April 27th. Currently 10:47. We were supposed to leave yesterday, but that thing's finally packed and ready to go. Have the Cougar on the back, and the Camry's all ready to go, and the Wagon, the 2001 540 BMW Wagon that we're taking for dogs, is still at our buddy's house. He just got it done. He did complete rebuild on the front end and engine and drivetrain and stuff on that car. He got it done this morning, and he drove it back to his house. Or Abby and him went back to his house to drop him off, and it blew the radiator cap hose off. So it's there, and they're cooling it off and getting it ready to go. We're gonna leave here probably about 25-30 minutes, and I am gonna be driving that car 2,600 miles. I'm bringing my tool bag. Guys, welcome back to the Daily Misfire. You just heard a very tired Colin intro this video, to say the least. So we are currently en route. We just went through Madeira and stuff, which is about 2 hours from our house. And to give a little bit more background on what I was saying earlier, I am currently driving our 2001 540 BMW with Rosie and Sydney in the back and my rabbit. All hanging out in the back. This car literally had the entire front subframe, and the engine was apart yesterday. So our buddy Brian completely went through everything on the front end of the car as while he was going through the entire engine. He did a whole bunch of gaskets, redid a whole bunch of seals, did the timing chain, which this is a dual overhead cam motor, so that was fun. He had a really pain just going through this thing, but he was able to get through it, and literally brought it to our house at like 11 o'clock this morning, and we rolled out at like 1, so 12:30. So the plan is we're gonna be cruising currently. We are currently Abby's in the Camry with our cat and another dog, and then my dad is hauling the Cougar behind the Penske truck. So we're gonna be rolling from Cali through Arizona, through New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and then into Tennessee. So, and we'll be unpacking once we get there. Hopefully in 4 days we'll be unpacking, and we will be able to, and then my dad and I are gonna fly back. So that's kind of the plan right now, and basically so that we can reload and go again. Abby's staying because she has work there. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun video. I don't know how much, me talking is gonna be, happening, but it might be me doing video stuff, and we're here, this is what we're doing here, we're hanging out here, that kind of stuff. So it'll be fun regardless, and I hope to see you guys later. So be sure to keep on keeping on. We were like an hour from the... Okay. There goes our buddy. Tighten his mirror up. Mirror. So that guy. That's a really cool 72 Chevelle SS car. Actually, I don't know if it's an SS car. Pancake conveyor belt. that was a really cool spot. We are on Highway 40 right now, like we've been like last forever. But there was a stop before Texas, like probably like 10 minutes before we get to the Texas border in New Mexico. A really cool gas station, restaurant, has a Subway in it. But they also have a car museum that has a lot of cool memorabilia. There's quite a few cool old nostalgia cars. A lot of really cool stuff. There was, I mean, a Lincoln Felter supercharged on nitrous, like 04 Corvette, 05 Corvette, old 72 C10. I mean, there's some pretty cool stuff in there. On top of a lot of like NASCAR and a lot of other racing memorabilia, and you know, old 50s gas pumps and a lot of really cool stuff. So if you're en route through Highway 40 in New Mexico, getting into Texas, it's a Route 66 gas station. I think it's Russell's, I think is what it's actually called. Go check it out. It's pretty cool. I wish we could stay there a little bit longer than we did, but you know, we have these things. And we gotta roll. So, off the roll we go. Arkansas. We ended up driving till like 12:30 last night and ended up going to bed at like 1 o'clock. It is currently 8:04. We got up at like 7:30 this morning because we're gonna try to roll out and get to North Carolina, which is where our storage place is for the Penske truck tonight. It's kind of the goal. It's gonna be about a 10-hour drive is what Google says, so it'll probably be like more like 12 for us, but we're gonna see what we can do. We gotta load up all the dogs, get them water, we're gonna get something to eat, put some coffee in our system, get some caffeine, and ready to go. There's some pretty cool thunderstorms last night that I didn't really get to catch just with, you know, driving and everything, but it was pretty fun. So I'm gonna get you guys down, put you guys in the car, and ready to go for this hopefully last leg of the trip. Let's see how this works. Unlimited Bass Pro. I wish we had time to go in there. That'd be cool. Super cool. Alright, back to cruising. have officially made it to the storage unit, or at least we have. My dad let us go in front of him during one of the windy roads, so we're gonna go scope out a spot for this for the Penske truck to park for tonight, and then we'll come back in the morning and unload it in one of these. But this is probably the only video you're gonna have for tonight, because I am gonna pass out as soon as we get home. So you'll see the finishing of this video tomorrow. Okay, so as you can see, it's been a few more days than what I originally said it was gonna be in the video. And that's just because everything's been going on. So yeah, it was a great trip. Everything went well. Very little hinkery-doos. Take these off. Very little hinkery-doos the entire time, which is good. So yeah, that's kind of the episode. The next video, there's gonna be a bunch of new videos coming out. A whole bunch of them. They're all gonna be short, but they're gonna be good. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Sorry, it was just kind of like a epilogue thing. We went down 40. There was lots of cool stuff. We just didn't get to stop at a whole lot of it just because we didn't have time. We were just motoring. And those are 14-hour days on the road. There was 4 14-hour days driving like 600-700 miles every day. I think there might have been an 800-mile day. But we got there, and it's good. It's definitely worth doing. So now I get to do it again. You know, in less than 30 days. My face is very, very, very bright. Wow. I get to do it again. Only this time with that. And there's a truck over there that you'll see in the next video. So that being said, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep watching all this nonsense that we're going to be doing. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.